Good morning. We have received our potatoes, our seed potatoes from Haas Tools. So we love using Haas Tools and Haas seeds, always good products. So what I'm doing now is I need to cut these seed potatoes. They need to dry and develop a nice scab where I cut them. But we're trying to find on each one where there might be 2 or 3 eyes and kind of cut them between. Most of these looks like I'm going to basically be cutting them in half because there's kind of eyes on the ends. And then I'm going to set them up on this paper towel so that they can kind of scab over and dry out. The drier the potato is, by the time it's ready to plant, the less likely they are to simply rot in the ground. So I'm going to cut these and set them so that the cut side is open to the air for right now, so they can dry out as much as possible. And I'm going to try to put as many eyes in each piece as I can. So ideally, it's going to take 2 to 3 weeks for these to scab over and dry out. So it's mid-January, and by the time that these are scabbed over and maybe even begin to put up a shoot, we will be ready to plant them when it's time for us to plant. The same thing with our onions here. I have our onion sets. We already have some winter onions growing in the greenhouse, but soon it will be time towards the end of January here in Zone 8B in North Texas, Northeast Texas. These plants will need to go and get planted. So they will get planted before our last frost date in order to give them a head start. But today I'm cutting up these potatoes, and I also have some Yukon Golds. So these are Kennebecks and the Yukon Golds. I'm going to keep them separated so I know which is which. And we're going to cut these and let them begin to dry. Sometimes I have to wear my glasses because it makes it easier to see where the eyes might be on these potatoes. So hopefully you find those tips helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.